This is another very difficult killing challenge for black. So what's going on here is that if black plays something here on the corner, white can push through and cut. And black will not be able to win this race to capture. Black is really short on liberties here. So this is not going to work out for black. So black must protect this cut. So if black connects here, then white can just bend here. Black must pull back. And now white can make a living shape at number 4. So when black tries to push through here, because of white's Atari at number 8, white will be able to live very easily, no matter where number 7 is. Number 7 is here, same result. So that's why number 1 here doesn't work. So the key move is this Atari by white. What if number 1 already takes care of this Atari? By that I mean playing here at number 1, which is the correct answer. So that's why this problem is so hard, because it's very difficult and kind of counterintuitive to think about playing here at number 1. But this is exactly why black needs this move. So now, when white plays the same moves again, black can succeed with number 7 here. If white plays this, then black can pull back. If white plays here, then black will be able to kill white this way. What happens here is that if white connects here, then of course black can connect. There's nothing for white to play. If white pushes here, black can push this way, right? This way, black will be able to capture white. If white pushes this way, then black can connect here, right? If white pushes through, black can still cut white off this way. So that is why number 1 actually guarantees black's enclosure of white. But now, black also needs to be careful, right? You might be thinking, this variation, black will succeed, but number 7 here is actually wrong, because white will Atari this way, and now all of a sudden, number 14 is a sente. Black must protect against this push first. But even this way, black will be cut off at number 18, and black will die. So that's why black should be really careful not to fill up its own liberties down here, and number 7 right here is the correct move. So after 1 and 3, white is already dead, no matter what it tries, right? If it tries this move, this kind of goes back to some of the previous problems in this section. Black can kill white this way. What else can white try, right? Maybe standing down here. But these are just more basic, right? This way, white will not be able to fill up this liberty. So white will still fail. But of course, you might be wondering what happens if white tries to kill this stone, right? If white can kill this stone, then it's a very large ice space. So black can play at number 3 right here. White must connect. Now, what black can do is actually to make a living shape. If it plays at number 5 here, white must connect. And now, black can stand down here. This is sente, right? White must prevent black from connecting by either playing here or here. Maybe this is slightly better for white. And black can make a living shape this way, right? 10 and 11 are miai, right? Black will be able to live. If you play this first, it's the same, right? This is the same. Black will still be able to live after number 11. And let's see if number 8, this diagonal move, can be of help. And the answer is no. It doesn't really help white connect to the outside, right? Black can still succeed this way or this way. So it really doesn't help this number 8. And black will be able to make a living shape. So that's why number 2 and 4 for white will also fail. So overall, pretty interesting pattern. Pretty difficult to find number 1, but once we have number 1, things become slightly easier. Please make sure you understand what's going on in all the variations, and let me know if you have any remaining questions. Thank you for watching.